going to do?
Well, we were so lucky to get a 15-foot boat from the neighbors, and we checked it out yesterday if it was any hole in it, and it seems like a good boat. There it is. A nice boat with a wee belly, I guess it's called. The condition is good for the day because we are pulling this boat into the garage.
Yes. I thought
it's heavier than we thought.
I thought you said it was easy to pull on the snow.
Well, that was a nice failure. I think we need to bring up the cavalry.
You're such a beauty. Just say stop.
Stop. Fits perfectly. Hey. The plan is to get the boat inside of this garage, and but it seems like the boss man has left us a pallet with some beautiful wood. We need to move that. Yes, that was. It looks easier than it is. It was.
What have you done there, Morten?
Well, we pulled in the boat now and flipped it over, and now we'll clean it up and put on some paint, I guess.
How's your back?
My back still hurting. So that's the new normal.
We're almost 30 years old now, so. Yes, so now the snow is gone, and we have changed to better clothes because of the temperature. So what's next for the boat, you think?
Hopefully use the nice weather to paint the next coat of paint.
Yeah.
And hopefully get a fresher look.
What you say, Morten?
A lot of dirt, a lot of shit.
So what have we done now? We have sanded it and
yeah, sanded it down, blown away with the dust. Put some Kraftvask on.
some power wash.
Yes, power wash. And start to loosen up the dirt.
Yeah.
And yeah, wash off all the shit and put on some paint when it's get dry.
Yeah.
So hopefully it's one coat before the sun goes down.
Yeah. Sounds like a good plan.
first coating with Chipoline and the anti-flow,
Fouling.
anti-fouling. And it's very nice to see the shininess in the paint.
Yeah, I don't know if you can see it here, but yeah, you can see.
Yeah.
You can feel the reflection of my hand there.
Yeah.
It's a lot more shiny now.
So when we get the second stroke on, I think it's gonna be almost like a mirror, I guess.
Yeah.
When the sun gets out, it's gonna be a pretty nice finish.
Second coat done, Morten.
Yeah. Extremely satisfied with the result, actually.
Yeah. Some nice lines here.
Yeah.
Really shiny.
It's extremely shiny.
Yeah. It looks very good.
Yeah. My plan is to flip it over and do the other side, the inside.
Yeah.
As
We
well.
haven't touched that yet.
No. I think it's gonna be at least as much work.
Yeah.
So I'm exciting to see how bad conditions we have to work with, but we should definitely flip it over and use some of the plywood to stabilize the.
Now we'll build a platform for it there.
Yeah.
Yeah. We flipped it over, and we are not far from done, as you can see. The boat is in very good base condition, I would say. There's a few signs that it has lived some years, but no problem. So this is the famous Chipoline.
It's crazy. It's the most effective paint I have ever used.
Yeah.
Oh, but seriously, it's highly effective in the goal. We started painting inside now, first layer,
Yeah.
and I guess we are almost done with the first layer inside, and we've been working now for 2 hours, washing, sanding, washing, and taping up, and yeah, we are almost starting to get some white paint on the blue.
Yeah. On the deck, on the rails.
Yes.
Now we have finished the first coat, as you can see. We have taken both the inside and on the top side, and you can still see there is some blue, but that's normal when the first coat goes on. So tomorrow morning we have to get up really early to get the second coat on, so it will have time to dry before the rain comes. And I don't see any dark skies yet, but the weathermans have been telling us bad news, so we really have to get this done. I've been working since early this morning to get the second coat on the hull, let that dry before we flipped it. First coat here, second coat tomorrow morning, and then out to sea. So that's the plan. All right, it's a new day. We have finished the last of the paint. It's nice weather, so I thought maybe we should put it on the sea. The only downside is we haven't gotten a hold of an engine yet, so Morten here will do the honors of rowing it.
Yes.
To see if how it's working on the water. So what you say, Morten? Should we just get cracking?
Yeah.
What do you think about the project so far?
Well, it's been very exciting actually. It's impressive to see how good the paint is holding up.
Yeah.
As always, the Chipoline is always impressing me. But then again, I have not painted a lot of boats so far.
Yeah, we will get an engine on it soon and we will film it. So stay tuned for that.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get this thing out.
Actually, I think this boat is gonna be a fast one when I get the engine on it.
Yeah.
But
it looked very nice out there. The boat is looking fantastic with the white.
I think so.
It will be a good lifeboat.
Yeah. So now the boat's finished. We've been out testing it, and hope you like this video. Stay tuned to see what engine we are picking out for it, and see if we can get some real speed on the boat.
Yeah, looking forward to that.
Yeah, I think that's gonna be a fun video to make.
Yeah, definitely. And also remember to like, subscribe, and comment below if you have any video ideas to us. And yeah, thanks for watching.